JMWE, or Jira Miscellaneous Workflow Extensions, has three major components: conditions, validators, and post functions. This video gives you a brief overview of the validator component. Validators are triggered when you try to transition an issue. They should be used when certain fields need to meet specific criteria. For example, a work item has a value for start date and description, or that the user performing the transition has a specific role. In this example, we're going to create a validator that checks for start date and description, but only apply it to work items that are bugs. To create a validator, click the Validators tab. Click Add Validator to open a list of validators and select the required one. Select Field Required Validator, JMWE App. This option enables the transition if certain field value requirements are met. For example, you can validate only work items with a start date, or those with an assignee present. Click Add. Add the required field from the drop-down list in the Fields box. For example, the start date and description will help you to create a validator to ensure that the work item is not started before the start date has a value and that the description is present. If you add multiple fields, all of them will be required. In the error message field, enter the message that displays when the start date and description are incorrect or missing. Click the Conditional Validation checkbox if you want to allow the validator to work in only certain circumstances. The validator will succeed in moving the work item to the next status if the conditions are matched. If this validator should only be applied to bugs. In the Issue Fields drop-down, select Issue Type from the pull-down menu. Then select the highlighted option. The validator will succeed and move the work item to the next status if the issue is a bug. Click Add to create the validator. The validator can be seen under the Past QA transition. To summarize, a validator is a control that prevents an issue from moving through a transition unless certain fields are completed or have values.